What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Facebook live and bucking and booba. All right. So anyway, welcome to this this YouTube Facebook live. Okay, I say YouTube. I'm going upload it to the YouTube soon though. All right. So anyway, I'm here at Truth of Gamers, aka RandyTV, aka
Damn, I need to clean this up.
Clean what?
My printer.
Your printer?
Yeah.
Okay. Printer. Alright, so I'm on my... Oh, wait a minute. Where you on? Never mind. We're watching this. Alright, so got my ticket. What? Whatever. Sure. Alright, so we got the Wizard World Comic Con ticket. What I say? Wizard. Oh, I did. Well, we'll rewind the tape later to see what I said. You know. Okay, so I bet the viewers gonna say I said that, huh? Well,
oh, you
can. In case somebody's joining, I'm going to this event. Okay, check it out.
Do it, bye.
What? Come on, bro. Yeah, dust on me, huh? Whatever. All right, later today, I think I'm gonna film at the Comic Con, okay? But I don't know if Kristen Crazy Butt gonna be there. Sometimes Kristen get on my nerves, you know. All right. Oh yeah, Raniel was watching my show the other day. Last time I did a Facebook live, but I was finished. She must have watched me, huh? She must have watched me. Okay, you making that noise, huh? Ooh. So Raniel was watching my video. So some girl named Raniel, she on Facebook. So I don't think she watching me right now. Yeah, no, she not. I don't think she watching though.
Who's that one person watching?
I don't know. Because I looked at the statistic and
I hate when people just watch it and don't say nothing.
Oh, I don't mind, bro.
Don't look and don't say nothing, bro. I need to know who's watching.
I don't care who's watching. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. That's what I'm gonna do. Soon as I finish this, when I get home to my house, I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. Okay?
Yeah.
That's what the hell I'm gonna do. So I'll be at Comic Con later. Okay? All right. Ta-ta. Wait a minute before I stop. All right. Well, it's a Street Fighter. Okay. All right. That's it for now. All right. Peace out.